Next movement is we're going to go ahead and roll our gastroc. For this one, we're going to go ahead and grab a lacrosse ball. We're going to go ahead and place it on the block. Bring that gastroc on top of the ball. Roll it until we find a tender spot. Once we find a tender spot, we're going to go ahead and do 10 ankle flicks. So we're going to go ahead and bring the foot all the way up in dorsiflexion and plantar flex as hard as we can. Repeat that 10 times. Once we're done with those 10 times, we can either find another tender spot, another trigger point, or we can go ahead and do 10 circles one way and then 10 circles the other way. Once you're done with those 3 sets of those, go ahead and switch over to the other leg and see how it goes.